Hi everyone. Thank you for joining today's sessions. So maybe we can wait a bit for other to join, maybe like 1 minute, and we will start with today's topic, just product, customers, and order, export, import. So we will go into the outline soon, but let's wait for others a little bit. And if my voice is unclear, please do tell me and let me know in the chat. Also, if you have any questions with the today topic, you can also attach in the chat. Okay. All right. Let's just get started with today's sessions. So today's sessions we will talk about our like technical functions actually. It's bulk action for export, import, and data updates. Yeah. So we allow mass upload or import for our orders data, products data, or customer data. And then the data that we support is CSV for now. So what we will cover in the orders, we will cover how to export, how to bulk edit from the dashboard, these two basically. And then for customers data, we will cover exporting, importing, bulk edit from the dashboard. And for products data, we will cover export, import, bulk edit from the dashboard, and bulk edit from CSV. Also, I will include how to efficiently attach image in bulk. We will go into technical into that, but we currently we don't have way to upload image in bulk by using cloud server. So we will go into the workaround how to do it efficiently, attaching the image in bulk based on the product itself. Yeah. So to start, we will cover the order first. The orders, in the order menu from the dashboard, you can go to orders and all, and then you will be able to see these two buttons, which is bulk edit and export. We don't have import orders just yet for orders, but we have the export function. So maybe I already covered this function in previous video, but I will just deep dive into each function. For the export itself, yeah. So we have the export order to CSV by 100 orders or 1,000 orders or even order by dates or selected orders. And then the export mode will be by line items or by orders. We will go through some of it so you will understand what is the difference. Okay. The 100 orders is like as simple as it is. If you have more than 100 orders, but you just want to export the last 100 orders, then you can do this. Yeah. Maybe you have like 50 orders that you want to see past 50 orders, then you can choose this one. And then the last 1,000 order, maybe you deal with order in monthly basis, and then you want to export this month order, and maybe this month order around 500 to 1,000 orders, then you can choose last 1,000 orders. Yeah. Or if you know specifically like when the order is made, then you can export based on the date range. You can choose maybe today is 25, right? And then tomorrow, like 26, I will need to send the items that being ordered from last week. Then I can do this. I can choose the time frame of last week and then prepare the order for tomorrow. Then you can simply pack and send the order tomorrow. Yeah. And then selected orders, this one works like this. Okay. So you tick the items. This is selected orders, and then you export. and you choose selected orders, and then you click buy orders or buy line items, and then you export orders. So it will only export like five items. Okay. All right. So I will show you what is the difference between buy orders and buy line items. Yeah. Buy line items, when we export, let's say selected orders, it will show the line items. Okay, it cannot. Yeah, this one cannot show clearly. I will enlarge the selection. So by line items, last 100 orders and export. Okay, this one, yeah. So as you can see right here, there is, you can differentiate from the order number, yeah. If you see there is 2 order number, meaning they have 2 items here, the line items. This is by line item, which mean that one order number we can export into 2 different line in the CSV because they have 2 different items. Okay, it will show like this. But what is the difference with orders? Export by order itself, yeah. So if you export by orders, it will show one line only, one row, and the items will be clumped together. So something like this. Sorry. Order 181, only one row, yeah, different from this one, which is 2 row, yeah. They will clump the order together, and the line item will look like this, So it will combine the item in one row. Maybe for some of you who utilize Excel quite a lot, this kind of clumped data will not be useful for you. So maybe you can opt to use the export by line items. Okay. So that's how you export the orders. Now, how can you do the bulk edit? Right here on the order menu again, there is bulk edit button at the top right corner that you can click, and then you can see without exporting anything, and you can change the status. Let's say like this, yeah. Order 186 previously was, let me refresh, yeah. Previously was pending, unpaid, unfulfilled, 186. Then I change to, oh, the order is done. Then I will change to complete, and then paid, and then let's say fulfilled, yeah, or out for delivery. Then I save. Now when you go back, you will be able to see the order status, the payment status, and the fulfillment status change. Instead of doing it one by one, now you can go from bulk edit UI, and then you can do it in bulk. Let's say, okay, this one, all is paid, all is out for delivery. Then I can just simply, yeah, like change everything like this. Then save. Let's say 4 orders in one time. Then all of it will change. As simple as that. So you don't need to go in, like click the orders and then wait for it and then change the status, yeah, and then change the status. You don't need to do that. Now you can just do it from the bulk edit function right here. As simple as that. Okay. And then we cover the orders. So moving on, we will go into the customers. We will cover the products later on. In customers, we have import function, export function and bulk edit function. So what is the use case in customers? The import function use case, usually you have your own customer database that you want to migrate from your platform to Take. But I need to add it one by one. It's so time consuming. No. Right now we have the functions to import the data all in bulk. So you can easily click on import and then download our CSV template for customers. Yeah, and you will have it right here, and you open it. This one. Yeah. Now you can see customer template, and then there is customer name, phone number, email, birth date, address to city, state, zip, everything that you might need to migrate. So you can simply like copy and paste those data, then you re-import. Let's say I'm doing something like this, yeah. So let's just make a dummy one, okay. So like this one, Arvin, and then let's say something like this, and then something like this. .com, and then let's say we put like notes like this, baby, or and then the zip code maybe like this, and this one is country code. You can leave it blank if you want. Maybe this one is like Singapore, this one is like Kuala Lumpur, like this, and then you save. Okay, then what you can do is you go back to customers, yeah, and then import and upload customer using CSV, and then browse the file and then re-import this one. Then now just leave it like, don't change anything, go with continue, and you see like to valid and then submit. Okay, then the import is successful. Now what you can see right here, there is two new, Arvin and Kelly, and then when you see the data is imported, like they are in Singapore, this is the postcode, and yeah. So it's also work if you have like thousands of customer data, but the import currently I think do not support above 1,000. So if you have more than 1,000, you need to divide the file 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, and 1,000 like that. Okay, yeah. And then let's say you have like marketing features like broadcast functions, and you need the data of all of those customers that already recorded in the platform. Then you can export those data. You just click on export and then it will be downloaded like this. Then when you open, you will have all the data, all the phone number that you can, let's say, broadcast, and an email that you can also do like marketing drip, and yeah, all of your marketing campaign that you need, you can get the data by using this export function. And then same as like orders, we have bulk edit. It is similar UI, and you will be familiarized with the function itself. So you can see there is data that you already have, same like in the data export previously. So all of this data can be edited, can be changed, and then you can save in bulk. Now let's say something like this. Okay, and then address 1, something like this, and then city Singapore, yeah. This one you can find anything. Let's just say, yeah, let's just do anything, yeah, and it's safe. And when you check the client, the email is already updated like this. Address updated, this one is updated, everything is updated. Okay, yeah. So we cover import, export, and bulk edit of the customers. If you have your own data, maybe like from other platform, and you want to, like migrate all of those data because you have your new tech app stores, this might be a useful function for you to use in the futures. Okay, moving on, we are going to products. In products, it's a bit technical, so let's cover it one by one. Yeah. So the import function. The import function is as straightforward as it sounds. We import products in bulk. So how you do it? Just click on the import and then use our sample CSV template. Click on this first, don't click on this one first, and then download the template and then see on the template. Okay. It takes a little bit time. Yeah. So I will explain one by one. Okay. When you open the file, just remove all of this. Okay. So it will be clear, but don't remove the header. Please don't remove the header because it will not work if you remove the header. And then you can fill in your data like using this template with this header. So we will cover the first step, yeah. Product without variant. Okay. With product without variant, you don't need to care about these three. ABC, you don't need to care about it. If you have product with variant, we will go into that later on. Okay. So I have one file right here that I already prepared. This file is product without variant. Okay. It's the same, everything is the same. This is the exact SKU, header. And then this is, I have all the file name, and then the category, and then the price, and then the inventory. Okay. So what is important for you to fill in first? The most important one, you will need to fill in the product name, category, and then price. Okay, if you want to put description, sure, but if you want to leave it blank, that's also okay. It is the same like SKU, cost, variant name, variant will be related with variant ID later on, and original price, and inventory. Inventory I just showing you as an example right here, but if you want to leave it blank, that's also totally fine. Let's say you didn't count your inventory, you can leave it blank. Okay. So let's say we use this file to upload the product, yeah, to bulk upload the product. So let's go back here and upload product using CSV and browse files, and then this one. Now, same like previous, just skip the second step and press continue. Then we will see valid 20. Okay. You need to see if there is any error or not. If there is any error, probably the import will not work. Then click submit. Okay. Once you click submit, it will take some time, but the product will be imported. As you can see, all the product that I have, like all the fruit, been imported in this page. Yeah. And then I will discuss the product with variant. Okay. So let's just use the blank, yeah, this one, this product template, this product name, yeah, blank template. And then let's create some product with variant, okay? Let's say I want to create just gelato, okay, gelato, yeah. And then if you have the variant name, then you will need to put the variant name. Let's say chocolate, okay, and vanilla, strawberry, right? Now you have 3 variant, but the product name, just put it as 1. It's okay. The one that you need to do for the system to recognize this gelato have variant, you need to put the same handle based on the product name or based on anything, but just the same handle on this 3 row. So you can say like gelato 1 like this. So just gelato handle, something like this, yeah. And you can just drag down here. Now the product will be recognized as 1 product but with 3 variant. So you can put different price. Let's say 10, yeah, 15, 20. Okay. And then you can also create another one. Let's say banana, yeah, banana. And then you put like imported, local, something like this, and then you say banana handle. So the handle doesn't need to be like name / handle. You can also create something like BNN or like something like BNN, up to you. As long as it's same, it will be okay. Let's say like import is like 50 and this one is like 40. Banana pack, yeah. Now you can save product template 41 and just save and try to import again right here. Click on import and then upload product using CSV. Okay, sorry. I think I need to refresh that first. Yeah, and import, upload product using CSV, and browse files, the downloads, product template 41, open, and then skip, yeah, and submit. I mean, there is a valid line. It doesn't mean you have like 5 products. It actually have 2 products, like this one, and you submit. Once you submit, the product will be imported, gelato, banana pack. There is no category. We can also import without category, but it's best to put into the category. Let's say we just put it in fruit, yeah. And then when you see the product on the product detail, you will be able to see the variant has been included: chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, with the respective price. Yeah, it will also be the same like the banana pack. The price will be shown right here, imported, local, and everything. Okay, so that's how you import the variant using like CSV upload. Okay, but I want to edit the price. Okay, so how do I do that in CSV? So what you can do is you export, click on export right here, and then just export all product, let's say, yeah. Then open the file that we just download. And then you see everything, like there is no handle, don't worry about it, just leave it be. Now what you need to do, if you want to update the items by using CSV, first you need to export, and then you need to open the file that you export, and you will need to leave this tree blank. Not blank, sorry. Just leave it be. Don't touch anything, because if you touch anything, it will not be recognized, and then like the 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 system will create new product, or even it will be an error. Yeah. So we see our banana here, and imported and local, and then we have the price. Let's say like this month the price like reduced like 35 and 25. Yeah. Then you can change right here. Don't change anything right here, and then let's say just save it. Okay. And then what you do is you go back again to your dashboard and then import again. Upload product using CSV, browse files, and then this one that we just export. Now we can re-import using the updated data. You can leave this one be, just continue. And if you want to review this one, maybe you are not sure, then just see the banana pack, right? Changing the price right here and submit. And it's done. So what happened is the price is changed. Now the banana pack price will change. Yeah. So that's how you edit pricing, inventory, even the name of the banana, or even the variant name using the CSV. Leave this tree, like, don't worry about it. Just change your, if you want to change your SKU, product name, description, cost, yeah, even variant name if you want to change, price, original inventory. This one you can change as well. Category you can also leave behind, because we cannot recognize category at the moment, due to some items can belong into category or more. Like for example, these items like this banana, yeah. I mean, let's say this gelato can belong not only in fruit category, but it can also belong to dessert category. Now it's belong to two category. Then the CSV function do not support this two category or more import yet. Okay. We cover import, export, and bulk edit in CSV. Now we will go to the bulk edit in the dashboard for products. It's super straightforward. As you can see, you have the name, variant name, track inventory, inventory SKU, price, original price, track cost, visibility, and description. Anything right here you can modify as you wish. Let's say for, where's the banana? Yeah, the banana previously we don't track, but we want to track. Now you can activate, and then you can like put the inventory, let's say 2 and 4, yeah, and save. What happened is when you see the banana right here, now you can see the inventory of the banana. If it's below 5, you can see it now. So the point is, we can update from CSV. We can also update from this bulk edit in dashboard. If you don't have that much of data that you need to update, then you can do it from this bulk edit view rather than go export, import the data. Yeah, we offer you this option. So don't worry. It will be easy for you. Okay. Now the bonus topic that I want to show you is how to attach the image easily. Okay, so some people who don't know about this, they will go to the items, click on the items, and then go scroll down, and then click on this one, and then open this one, and then like just do this, and then click save. Yeah, I mean, we can do that, but it will take times a lot if you have a lot of products. So what I suggest you to do is you open the window, let's say split the window like this, yeah, and then you can drag and drop. Okay, let's say BlackBerry, right? You can just drag and drop right here, and it will be uploaded, yeah. And let's say lemon. I don't have lemon, but let's say blueberry, right? And blueberry, yeah, just drag and drop, and then maybe like la, yeah. Uh, I'm a bit confused with myself, but grape, let's say grape, just do this, and then cherry. Where's cherry? Yeah. So you can just do like one by one, but in faster way. You don't need to go like into individual items and then scroll down and then drag the file and then save. No, you don't need to do that, but you can simply just drag and drop the items. Yeah, it's as simple as that. Okay. Now, the last one is migration of data. Some of you have been asking if you have like uh, function to migrate the data from my previous website to the new website. Um, those data that you need to migrate will need to go through all of the tutorial that I've been teaching you today. So we don't have the golden formula to just copy everything, let's say from your old website to your TechApp website, but you will need to follow this template, let's say the product template, header, using your previous website Excel file. Let's say you can export your Excel file from WooCommerce or something like that, and then they will have the name, like product name, category, prices, and then like inventory, I think. Then you can just copy all of those and then copy and paste, copy and paste, copy and paste. Then maybe within 5 minutes you already migrate all of those data. Yeah. So I think I covered most of the topic today. Okay. And if I haven't covered anything, maybe you can ask me in the chat all about it. But if I have no question from the viewer, then I will end the session today right here, and let's meet again in the next session. All right. Thank you, everyone. Bye bye.